Fort Worth man bought some personalized license plates for his car. They were approved by the state, by the way, but then suddenly the state later pulled them. New at 5 o'clock, CBS 11's Aaron Jones joining us. You know I'm going to ask you the obvious question. What in the world was on these plates?
Well, Doug, the plates say Jail 45, talking about President Donald Trump. And the man we spoke to tonight says first the Texas DMV approved them, then someone complained, and now they're being revoked. And he believes this is a violation of his First Amendment rights. Jerry Balkenbush got these plates as a way to express himself.
It says Jail 45. It's more of a protest against the current president. I wanted to make sure that everybody knew where I stood.
Balkenbush says he applied for the plates through the Texas DMV's website and was approved. 2 weeks later, they were shipped to his house. Then someone saw them and filed a formal complaint. A letter from the Texas DMV showed up in his mailbox.
We received a complaint about your personalized plate with the pattern Jail 45.
The letter goes on to say the plates violate a Texas transportation code because they may be viewed as derogatory, and Balkenbush has 30 days to replace them. It turns out in Texas, revoking license plates is a rare occurrence. Out of 44,000 personalized plate requests approved by the Texas DMV last fiscal year, only 19 were revoked.
I didn't like it. I felt like it was a violation of my freedom of speech against the government.
What we have here is we've got private speech in a government space, the license plate being the government space. And the government is allowed to restrict how and when speech is disseminated, but they can't discriminate on what types of speech are allowed to then be put in government spaces. I agree with him. I think that his First Amendment rights have been violated. I think any claim that it was demeaning or hostile to the point that it rises to the level of what hostility that the Supreme Court says can be restricted, I think it's disingenuous at best.
And the attorney we spoke to tonight says Balkenbush could file a lawsuit if he chooses. Meanwhile, Balkenbush tells us that he now has 30 days to remove the plates. He has filed for new plates. He wants personalized plates which say Obama, and he says those have been approved. Reporting live in Dallas, Aaron Jones, CBS 11 News.